To receive the latest technology updates, subscribe to Speak Tech channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications for the new video.
Hey, namaste guys, Chopra here, and I welcome you in a new episode of Tech Speaks. So let's begin. The first news comes from Motorola. Motorola has recently announced the launch of its new phone, the Moto G9. The Moto G9 packs a 5000 mAh battery and has a 6.5-inch HD Plus display. The phone comes with a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel main sensor. Another interesting feature is the night mode in the cameras. The phone also has a 64 GB of storage with 4 GB of RAM, which can be expanded up to 512 GB. The phone has a Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor, and the phone will be live for sale on Flipkart on the 31st August at 12 p.m. The next news comes from Google. It is claimed that Google will be launching its new phone, the Google Pixel 5, but it's still a rumor, but the specifications are out. The Google is expected to launch two phones, the Google Pixel 4a 5G and the Google Pixel 5 5G. The Google Pixel 5 is expected to come with a OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and with 8 GB of RAM. It is said to have a 6-inch display, and the phone is expected to come with a 15-watt QI wireless fast charging and a 5-watt reverse wireless charging. It is expected that there might be an 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant of the same phone, but these are still rumors. A recent rumor claimed that the phone might be having a fingerprint sensor on the rear side, and in the pic it was seen that it had a Type C port. It is expected that the Google Pixel 4a 5G and the Google Pixel 5 5G are expected to be launched on the 30th September. A disheartening news is that Google might not be launching these two phones in India, but these are still rumors. Sony has launched its new software, the Imaging Edge webcam. The new software allows users to convert their Sony's DSLRs into webcams for their conferences and meetings. These webcams can work in almost every video calling app such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams. This new software is compatible with most of the Sony's DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. This kind of software was first brought in by Panasonic and Olympus, and Sony has also joined the pack. The next news comes from PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile's new era announcement teased for August 24th. PUBG Mobile went live today at 7 p.m. on YouTube and Twitter handles and to announce the launch of its new era, in which it will be releasing a revamped Erangel map with a stable version of this game. This new update might bring in Ultra HD graphics with a new weapon and a new revamped Erangel 2.0. It can also bring in some balancing changes and some bug fixes. Nokia C3 to be launched soon in India. Nokia C3 was recently launched in China, and rumors claim that the Nokia C3 could be soon launched in India too. The Nokia C3 is expected to come with a 5.99-inch HD Plus display, and it is said to have a 8 megapixel rear and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The phone is expected to run on the Android 10 software, and the phone is expected to have a 3040 mAh all-day long battery life. According to the leaks claim that the Nokia C3 could be launched in the same 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage variant in India, and it could be priced at 7,500 INR. So the next news comes from Samsung. Samsung is expected to launch its new phone, the Samsung Galaxy M51. The Samsung Galaxy M51 is tipped to come with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, and it is said to have a quad camera setup on the rear side. The phone is expected to come with a 48 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 megapixel quad camera setup and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The phone is expected to pack a massive 7000 mAh battery, and it is said to have a 25-watt fast charging capacity. Recent rumors also claim that the phone will be having a Snapdragon 730 processor, and it is said to have a octa-core processor. The phone is expected to have a punch hole display which will house a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the phone is said to come with a 128 GB and 64 GB internal storage backed by an 8 GB of RAM. Bold recently launched a new pair of wireless earphones on Flipkart. The wireless earphones went on sale on the August 22nd, and they were priced at 1299 INR. These earphones are available in blue, black and pink colors. These AirDopes have a cool feature known as the Insta Wake and Pair. In this feature, the wireless earphones can instantly connect to previously paired devices when the lid is open. The earphones have a USB Type-C port and can be used up to 15 hours in one charge cycle. The next news is about Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 2 completed 1 year in the moon's orbit, and ISRO has claimed that Chandrayaan 2 has enough fuel for 7 more years. ISRO also claimed that all the instruments are working perfectly fine, and the Chandrayaan 2 has completed more than 4,400 orbits around the moon. And ISRO has already started work on the Chandrayaan 3, which could be launching in 2021. The Chandrayaan 3 will only have a lander and a rover to speculate the moon's south pole. LG recently launched its new phone, the LG K31. The LG K31 comes with dual rear camera and has a 3000 mAh battery. The phone comes in a sole 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage variant, and is priced at around $150. That is around 11,200 INR. The phone has a 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. And please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you can receive notifications for my videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next techie video.